Leaving Cert results are finally out today, so the wait is over. It's a day of mixed emotions for a lot of people. I believe there are 13 people today who have got 8 H1s. Well done. You can turn off, but the rest of us are not in that situation. I think it's a time to be proactive. The Leaving Cert is over. It's what is the next step forward. So today I'm going to go through what I think very quickly 3 areas that are important at the moment. Number 1, we're going to talk about viewing your script. Number 2, we're going to talk about rechecking. And number 3, we're going to talk about a special maths exam. Now, if I look at viewing your script, you will have got a form today with your Leaving Cert form, which you have to send back to the centre you sat the Leaving Cert in before next Tuesday, which is 22nd of August. That is to view your script. I think viewing is wonderful. I think it's such a great opportunity. It's free of charge. You obviously have to go in person, but you can bring somebody in with you. That could usually be a teacher or maybe a friend who's very good at a particular subject, etc. You are given the marking scheme when you go in, which is just magical. You can go through it, see exactly where you are, etc., and that is so helpful. You can check the calculations. Many times the examiner makes a mistake, they leave out a page, they don't transfer them to the front, the final mark, so you can check all of that. Also, there is the availability of what we call an AP1 form. Now, obviously you can't take a pen into where your exam paper is, but you can have the AP1 form outside. You can just think of where you want or where you think you were docked marks, and then when you go outside you can write it on your AP1 and hand it to the supervisor, and that will be looked at very closely. I think the best thing about viewing your script is it allows you to make a very good judgment call as to whether you need to recheck or not. I think this year this is going to be very useful because the grades go from, they span 10%. So did you get 51, did you get 59? If you got 51 in your paper, you didn't see maybe many errors or places, well then I don't think I'd go for a recheck, whereas if I'm at 59, that's a different story. To recheck, you need to send your form in by September the 6th. It costs €40. If you are upgraded, you are refunded. It's important to remember that you can be downgraded. Each year there are a certain number downgraded. I think this year with the 10% gap there's probably less chance of that happening. But by viewing your scripts it allows you to make a good judgment call for rechecks. Thirdly, we'll talk about the special maths exam. I think this is really great for some students. If you are doing maybe a level 8 engineering or some computers course, you need to get a H4, and some students will not have got that. Now, there are many colleges, for example, NUI Maynooth, University College Galway, University College Limerick, DIT, Cork Carlow, Waterford ITs, all have special maths exam. So, for example, if you applied for electronic engineering in Maynooth and you didn't meet the H4, they have a special maths exam next Wednesday, August the 23rd. And they have a preparatory course all day Monday. It's based on paper 1 of the Leaving Cert. This is just so helpful. Galway, UCG, if you're applying for engineering courses and some information studies, they have a 5-day preparatory course. So that would help some students get the H4 to get onto their course. Today, it's a difficult day for some students, as we said at the start. However, to me, it's a day where you have to start making decisions and moving forward. I think next Monday we will discuss the many various options out there, lots new apprenticeship courses, PLC courses, people applying to the UK, to Europe. People will decide they're going to repeat, which is probably the best option for some people. So we will go through these next Monday. But I think today, nobody in Ireland has any idea what the points are going to be next Monday. I think it's a waiting game. We must be patient, relax until next Monday morning.